Okay, so we ran into this problem where we turn on the camera and then you get the memory card that says this. Hold on, let me unfix the problem here. So we plug this in all the way, the memory card is all the way in, and then you turn on the camera and then you end up with this message right here, right? Card cannot be accessed, reinsert card for format card with camera. So if we plug in the memory card all the way, that error comes up. But if we leave it slightly open like this and then close the door and then slide the door in like that, when you turn on the camera, everything works. Look, record button, start recording. See the little record button right there, or the little record symbol. And then when you turn it into photo mode and we take a picture, oh, I'll try to take a picture. Oh wait, let me turn it on. There. All right, take a picture, play it back, it's written to the camera. But if we have this plugged in all the way, look at this, I'll push this in, the memory card is pushed in all the way, turn it back on, and then you get that, whether it's in photo mode or video mode, you get that message. So that is one way of how I fix this problem. I don't know why it happens, but it happens. So yeah, don't push the memory card in all the way. Leave it like that. Push this in and then slide it and lock it into place like that for the Canon 80D to work properly. So there's something wrong with this right here, this battery compartment, or I mean not battery, but this memory card compartment. There's something wrong there. Hope that helps.